Most entrepreneurs don't fail because they make bad decisions. They fail because they wait too long to make one. Indecision is still a decision. And it's almost always choosing comfort over growth, right? I remember feeling stuck when I couldn't make a decision whether or not I would give up the job I was working. I was working a full-time job and do my business on the side. I wasn't courageous enough to give up the business. Guys, I built a business. I hired people. I had people working for me while I still had the full-time job. But when I realized that I can actually impact so many more people by being an example, especially a woman who was indecisive about getting into business and becoming a CEO of their own company, I had to make a decision to become a better leader. And that's when I told myself, you must leave the job. Step out in faith. You are faithful. And when I did, guys, the next year my business 10x'd. When I left the job, the next year, we grew to over $500,000. I never made more than $75,000 on my job, and that was before taxes. So imagine what I brought home. If you feel stuck right now, it's not probably because you lack information. It's because you've been delaying a decision. And here's what most people don't realize. Indecision doesn't just affect your business, it affects your confidence, it affects your peace, and it shows up at home, in your relationship. When you mean for it to, whether you mean for it to or not, it shows up. When a decision stays unresolved, your mind stays in tension. And that tension drains your energy, your focus, and your belief in yourself. You don't just feel tired because you're doing too much. You feel tired because something important is undecided. Indecision costs more than most bad decisions ever will. Because when you decide you can adjust, you don't just decide. Because nothing moves. Momentum comes after the choice. Strong leaders are not fearless. They are practiced. They learn how to move forward even when the timing isn't perfect. The outcome isn't guaranteed. Fear is still present. Clarity does not come before action. Clarity comes from action. You have to move. This course is about teaching you how to decide without panic, without burnout, without second guessing yourself. So you can lead your business and your family with confidence. Before you move on, pause this video. Write down one decision you've been avoiding. Just name it. Don't solve it. Because in the next video, I am going to show you how to separate fear, logic, and intuition. So you can finally decide from a place of clarity, not pressure. You don't need more time. You need a clearer way to decide. Let's keep going.